There are people everywhere who want to take advantage of someone's weakness, wants to make money even in this situation. That oximeter, which is valued around 600 to 700 before this COVID, now the same thing is being sold for around 2000 to 3000 rupees. They are charging 5 to 10 times more than the rate in this tough situation. Hello guys, I had to come back to tell you all that there are people everywhere who want to take advantage of someone's weakness, wants to make money even in this situation. So today I was talking to one of my friends who was looking for an oximeter, and an oximeter which usually comes in purple and white color, which has many even men in the social medias that they doubt about the accuracy of that oximeter. Though that oximeter, which is valued around 600 to 700 before this COVID, now the same thing is being sold for around 2000 to 3000 rupees. I have not done any research with this oximeter, so I'm not sure whether it is showing accurate results or non-accurate results. But I want to put light on this issue that they are charging 5 to 10 times more than the rate in this tough situation. If a person is positive, then they'll be having n number of issues. The hospital bed would be, costing them around 20,000 per day. The bed with ventilator around 50 to 80,000, and ICU maybe around lakhs. I don't think we can change this system, or I can change this system in one day. But with respect to what I know, I just am doing this video to spread awareness about this oximeter, that there is an alternative. If we are using oximeter for only monitoring SpO2 levels, that is oxygen levels in our body, then apart from the oximeter, we have one more alternative, that is the health band. And again, in these health bands, we have n number of fake companies, first copies, fake things, everything. But make sure to search in trusted websites like Amazon, Flipkart, or something like that. Search health band with SpO2 feature. So if you are getting that SpO2 feature, you can be using that health band to monitor your oxygen level. And post pandemic, after this pandemic, that health band will be of some useful. That's what I think. And it is almost the same amount that you pay for an non-branded oximeter, which is around 2000 to 3000. You will get a branded health band like OnePlus, MI, Noise, whatever it is. Though I have my own franchisee business of TechnoPlus, I am not selling any of this bands right now because of my own financial situation. I'm not interested in investing and convincing people. I just want to put light on this issue and want to make sure people go in the right way. They don't lose money for fake products. So I think I'll be researching about the oxygen, features in the health band, and I'll list out the products among various websites which is available. I will list out the links with the description in my description box so that it might be helpful for you. So I'm not telling oximeter can be replaced by health band, no, because what I know is with oximeter we'll just check this blood oxygen level, and if the same thing can be checked with some other trusted thing which can be even used in the later days, in the normal days once we come out of this pandemic, then I think it is the best solution. I have given the links in the description of various things, and I think there is one product in Amazon which is the lowest, around 2300, that is OnePlus brand, I think, that has SpO2 monitor and one interesting feature when we are comparing oximeter and health band is an oximeter. You can see the values physically when you are there with the patient, when you are there with the person. You'll put it to their hand and you'll see the thing. And every time every time you have to check it, you have to go there, or they have to see and they have to tell you. But when it comes to health band, once you have put the strap on their hand, you can monitor it with the app that is given with the health band, so that wherever you are, whether the patient is in hospital, you can see what is the oxygen level with the app. I think that connects with the Bluetooth range, or even some may connect with some other thing, I don't know. If it is Bluetooth, then at least for those who are in home quarantine in separate room, within the Bluetooth range, you can be monitoring their SpO2 levels. So I think this was a useful information. I'm not saying oximeters are fake. I'm not telling health bands are trustworthy. It is left to you to decide what you want to take. As a precautionary measures, if you are buying oximeter, then yes, you can. If you are buying health band, yes, you can, but buy it on your own risk. I'm not just marketing some Amazon stuff in my channel. I have my own brand which I'm not using to mislead people. So if oximeters are required, then even I'm ready to provide that to my regular customers. So if you're buying a health band, or if you are buying an oximeter, buy it in the right place and the right brand which shows the accurate results. That's what I am concerned about. I have nothing to do with the branding of some stuff here. And it's your own risk to choose what you have to buy. Okay, I'm just suggesting it might be better, and even I'm not sure about it. So think, then purchase the oximeter or the health bands. That's all for today. Thank you very much.